YouTube. That's good. Good to see you today. And the music down for you guys. Hope that's not too loud. Dive straight into the analysis, guys. Right, hope you're all doing well. Thursday, 13th of August. Coming to the end of another week, guys. Simon from the Flow Trading Academy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to join the free Discord. Get that out of the way. I am a very happy man just now. I've just caught an amazing 100 pip trade that I have just closed out. 10 handles, lovely 1 to 2. Just there, called out for the Discord members. If you're a Flow Trading Premium member, you would have got this signal, trying this along from the 43.77s, and that is the result, guys. So beautiful trade for the Flow Trading Academy members. Absolutely beautiful. We always post our wins and losses in the Discord. Make sure you join the free Discord. Tons of amazing content in there. But if you were a premium member, then you would have joined me on this amazing trade that I will go through. I will go through this trade with you, break it down for you guys in a second once we do the daily breakdown. And then we'll go through it in more detail, guys. So let's take a look on where we are with gold. Very much in a range at the moment, guys. Let's get all my drawings off for you guys. So let's look at the 5-minute time frame at the moment. Very much in a range between the 44.50s on spot all the way down to the 4361. Very much this range bound at the moment, guys. You could see, for those of you that were here during yesterday's yesterday's NYSE session with us live on YouTube, you would have also seen the fact that we kept trying to break Tuesday's high and failed multiple times, which would have coincided very nicely with Tuesday's high. Tried to break it there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and tried to break it again last night during the Asia session. So this is a real key level that we're watching here, guys. I'll go into the footprint to explain exactly why we're watching it, but you can see just as a visual, looking at TradingView, this is a real strong area of resistance at the moment, guys. We've tried to break above it multiple times, and buyers have been absolutely smashed to bits. Similarly to in the lower portion of the range, we have tried to break below the Monday's low. You can see here multiple times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again, this is where I was able to capitalize, and in the Flow Trading Premium room, we were able to capitalize on these amazing buys. We were waiting for this low to attempt to be broken, coincides with yesterday's daily low, and we're able to capitalize on a beautiful trade to the upside. So they say we look at the higher time frame, guys. Going back to the daily chart, as we always talk about at the start of this call, you can see for the whole year that we've been completely bearish, moving in a downward trend. But ever since we got down to the October 2025, November 2025 levels, we were consolidating, and now we've had this big explosion to the upside. So gold, if you're looking at gold just on a visual right there, you can see that we're very, very bullish, and we have been for the whole of August. But that's not to say that we should just be jumping into buys. This is driven a lot by the fundamentals as well. The dollar's been performing very poorly with inflation data coming out, interest rates, NFP, FOMC. If you follow our YouTube, which I really recommend you do, you would have seen Trader K from FTA Trader K, who's doing the $100 flip account to 1,000. A lot of his trades, or a lot of his best trades, of the 30%ers, 40%ers, have come from the news. I've uploaded all those shorts to our YouTube, so make sure you check those out. So really, the dollar has been performing very badly fundamentally, and that's what's causing a lot of this push up. Go down to the hourly chart. You can see this confirmation of slightly lower time frames that we are starting to trend to the upside after bottoming out at this level here. So plan for today, guys, is get the drawings back on. Plan for today, guys, is not to be too greedy. We've taken an amazing 1 to 2 trade, worked out really well. We're very, very happy with it. I actually expect this to keep going, if I'm honest, guys. I probably closed out a little bit prematurely, but I hit my target, which was the low volume nodes, this area of high volume here. Hit that target after the initial reaction to the upside. So really happy with that. Lovely 1 to 2. Don't want to be greedy, but I do expect us to visit the value area highs of the day and also this little area of supply that we formed on gold. So the plan at the moment, guys, is to sit back. We either wait for a pullback towards yesterday's daily low, which is the trade we took earlier, or we wait for it to keep going, which I expect it to do because I really think this might actually keep going now, guys. Get to this area and then we'll look for sells. Go over to the footprint just to correlate that, guys, to really get behind the candlesticks. You know, it's all well and good doing your analysis on TradingView, but using the order flow, we do a completely deep dive into the volume and orders that actually sit behind the candles. So if I was to jump into the footprint chart for you guys, you can see here exactly why I took that buy. Look at all these orders on the ask, over 104 there, nearly 100 there. So we've got well over 300 worth of orders on the ask, getting completely absorbed there. 44.31 on futures. And you see there we're trying to break the daily low, which was just about here. Yesterday's low, sorry, that is trying to break yesterday's low and immediately begun to trade above it. And you can see here as well on the cumulative delta, guys, whilst we were in this downtrend, as we came into this important level of demand, we aggressively sold into it, which I love to see. That's my favorite setup. I love to see sellers or buyers getting caught offside. And we then started to create positive delta. If I just zoom in there for you guys right there, gold for the first time today actually created a little bit of a higher high and a higher low on a cumulative delta. And with that confirmation, I was really happy to take the trade and it worked out beautifully. Zero drawdown, straight into profit, and we hit the 1 to 2. And as I said, guys, I really expect this to keep going to at least get towards the 44.80s, the 44.90s, and then we could potentially look for sales. We could look for sales a little bit earlier, which would be around the 44.65s to the 44.70s. But if that doesn't hold, we've got options up there. Because I say, guys, we are very much in a range. So I'm just going to play the range. When we are in a range where we are balanced, I like to fade the extremes. And the only way you can fade the extremes is if you use order flow and footprint and bookmap charts and everything that's available to you. So that's plan today, guys. Just going to play this range and see how we get on. So let's just go back to there, set this up for you guys so you can see. But yeah, guys, really happy with that trade. Just go to the bookmap for you guys. This is the level I drew out that I just talked about, the 44.60s. Potential for sales if we keep going up to there, or ideally we pull back into the 44.32s, look for buys again. If that doesn't hold, we've got options for buys much lower, guys. You know, I've got lots of green boxes. I've got a lot of areas of interest to the downside to look for more buys, which won't hesitate to take, guys. So let's see what the day brings us. Have we got any news today? Let's have a look at the news. We have PPI in 20 minutes and jobless claims as well. So I will be locked out of my account to trade at quarter past 1, so in about 4 minutes. That's still in my hands anyway. But yeah, overall, very, very happy with that trade, guys. I'll do a full breakdown for the YouTube, submit that video for you guys to watch so you can see how I took that, what sort of setup I was looking for. And now let's bring in the boys. What's up? What's up?
What's up, everybody?
How we doing?
Doing good.
Doing great.
Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Who wants to bless us with their outlook?
As usual, go on, Wall.
Alrighty. So we're gonna keep it simple. Simon's already done a lot of the analysis. Now we can see, obviously, on the current day, we have this giant range that is forming. We got this distribution here. And if you look carefully, you will notice that we have a a little peak here, and a little peak here, and a little bit of lower volume in the middle. So likely that we will see price chop around in here and fill this area out, or even up into here and fill this area out up here, creating a larger distribution. And that's about it for gold, really. Just gonna be chopping around. I'm expecting, a lot of chop unless we actually start breaking down these lows and creating volume lower. Then we can just take the sells. All right.
Yeah, pretty much the same thing as me. It's very where we are now, very, very choppy. I just think fade the extremes for now, guys. Thank you all. And anything on NQ? You're right, NQ.
Yes. All right, I've been forgetting about that. So with the NQ, we had let's get this loaded up. So for the NQ, we had these targets to the downside that we want to get to during London session. It just fell short of it and then rallied really hard, and looks like it went up into the value area high, and once again it's making its way back down. I'm expecting these areas to get tested at some point, and since we got news, it's probably gonna spike it, and after, we can't really trade that. We'd have to trade the reaction afterwards, whether or not it actually holds, just spikes through and recovers and straight back into the range, or whether or not we actually break these levels and then hold, create a little range down here, and then continue to sell.
Beautiful. Wall is our in-house NAS guru, so if you guys are interested in trading NAS, if you don't just want to trade gold, maybe Training Academy is the place for you. Go to Kay, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Let me know whenever I'm up.
Yeah, go for it.
Okay, so we were here yesterday, and that's how we finished the day, which was a P-shaped profile. But we're still outside this value. Remember, the long-term target is this value. We do not know how many days it will take, how many weeks it's going to take, but it will get there at some point, because that's the next value. Okay, and as you can see, today market rejected and came back and retested this value and then rejected again. What do we have? We have sell tail and buy tail. Okay, that means we should be looking to trade within this range. Okay, that's one thing. Another thing, remember what I said yesterday on the stream, 44.75, that's the price I'm looking at. Market will get there, and it did, to the tick, and then it rejected. Now obviously that move has happened. We need to move on and figure out what's going to happen today. Now today is going to be a little bit harder to trade, guys. The swings are going to be a lot wider, and like Wallen Simon said, we're in a massive distribution. As you can see, this is a massive distribution, so expect wider swings. And also we are below the HVL. When you're below the HVL, swings are a lot bigger and larger. Okay, so that's one thing. Now where are we looking to trade? This is one price. Okay, now I'm looking at GCV 44.10. We have about 200k negative gamma sitting here. What I want to see buyers able to hold the market above this. If they can do so, this becomes the next legit target, because that's the HVL where the market dropped from earlier, and we have about 30k negative gamma sitting there. So you can expect sellers to enter here. Now this is the HVL, this is the spot price. Okay, if we break above the HVL, above this zone that I have drawn, expect the market to get here. Only reason I'm telling you about these levels, I'm not telling you to buy or sell, because a level is a level, guys. Once the market goes there, you want to see the type of reaction taking place, whether buyers coming in or sellers coming in. Just because I have a level there doesn't mean I buy or sell. I look at that level. That's my price of interest. Okay, not price of entry or anything like that. It's never a price of entry. It's always a price of interest. Now, let's look at this. As you can see, we're trading within this value. This is a TPO chart. Each TPO is like 30 minutes and each sub period is like a minute. Okay, now we are trading within this value. If we want to go up, I want to see a breakout of this value single print, then this value becomes the legitimate target. And is it this green line? It's a full TP right there for me because that's the poor high. Okay, and I use poor high as targets and stuff. So that's it for now, Simon. We're just observing the market, trying to see what happens. Yeah, and take it from there.
Awesome. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you, Warren K. You guys want to trade live with us, including Warren K, every single day? London session, New York session. Make sure you guys join the Flow Trading Academy Discord. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're here on YouTube every day during NY. In fact, this week, guys, we have a 100% trade record on the gold. So this week has been really good on stream. Really, really good.
Now, I just want to say that the area that we marked out on NASDAQ during the London session, it has now been tagged.
Okay.
So, analysis was spot on, and that's the hardest part for traders to get right, is to know the proper analysis, so they know where to trade to, what's their actual objective of the day, their trade plan, rather than just buying and selling every time they see a subtle move. You know, they start to see a couple of bullish candles, green candles, then they, okay, now I'm going to buy. Oh wait, a bearish candle popped up. I got stopped at, well, now it's a sell. Now I'm just going to start selling it.
Yeah, 100%, guys, 100%. I think what you said there is really key, particularly if you're new to Footprint and any general order flow tools, is your location about where you want to do business and the context of the market is so important. It's so important because what will happen, guys, you will be given all this information. Let's take for example, this is the trade we took this morning in London session is a great example of that, where gold is very much gold has been dumping all day, right, guys? Gold has been in a downtrend since the market opened. It's been absolutely tanking. And you'd be forgiven for thinking, using Footprint, you see these huge aggressive sellers enter the market, or you think you're seeing aggressive sellers enter the market, and thinking, yes, this is my chance to sell. This is my chance to get in. Not knowing the overall context of the market, not knowing what the location is you're dealing with, and not knowing how the market's going to behave and react when it gets to that level. So guys, we aren't just picking out levels because we see a big candlestick or we see consolidation of candlesticks. We're picking these levels based on the data, based on what it's telling us. And we know where we were looking at this area. Yes, fantastic that these sellers entered the market, but look at where they entered the market. They entered the market right on the daily low. You can't see that from a candlestick. You're not going to see any of that down here. You're not going to see any of this movement. All you see is this huge downtrend. And let's be honest, guys, you see red candles approaching the daily low. You're looking to sell. You're looking to get the breakout. You're looking to catch the moves to the down, not realizing that we know, looking at the order flow data, the Footprint, the Bookmap, whatever tool we choose to use, and the volume profile, we know down here sellers become trapped, and right there huge buyers enter the market. All those sellers just got absolutely ate, followed by aggressive buying. We can see on the order book that this buyer was filled. Over 102 contracts were filled. That means that they've entered the market. They're now becoming active. Their order has been filled. Transaction complete. And then we moved to the upside. So you just won't see that, guys. You will not see that from a candlestick chart. Do I still look at candlesticks? Yeah, of course I do. Look, I have trading view up there on the right hand side, but I'm certainly not picking out my areas that I'm looking to trade from. I'm marking them out as areas of interest, but these levels are all coming from Bookmap, footprint, the order flow, all coming from those data. I'm not relying on candlesticks to give me the entries. I'm not relying on the candlesticks to tell me what the market's doing. I can get all that from the order flow. Okay guys, we've got news in 7 minutes, so I'm currently locked out of my my prop firm account, so I can't trade it until 10 minutes afterwards. Not a problem, if I'm honest. I don't really want to trade this. Took a lovely win today, so I'm happy. I don't really want to trade this range.
Just to let you know, because we're below HVL, you want to sell with the massive sellers.
Yeah.
But your stop loss can't be where you usually put it. Always make it wider, because like I said earlier, below the HVL, expect wider swings. So you're gonna get wicked out a lot. I've been wicked out today. I've been wicked out.
You've been John Wick.
So yeah, I've been John Wicked. So careful at this point. I'm just if I see heavy sellers, I'm gonna sell with them. By the way, if you see any heavy buyers, don't trust it. Below the HVL, what the dealers do, they buy the market in order to give it a soft cushion, so the market just doesn't fall off the cliff. In order to contain the price within a certain range.
Mm-hmm.
So every time you see heavy sellers, go with it. Like, yes, I'm gonna buy right now. I'll be honest with you, I'm gonna buy, but because I'm on a CFD account, I'm gonna hedge that position.
That's your
overall market is still bullish.
Yeah. Is that your challenge account, bro? You're doing that?
Yes, challenge account, bro. I'm still up like about 9-10% for today.
Beautiful.
I want to see what happens here, because this is a key area. A lot of trading happening. And remember what I said about that 10 on the GCV. Okay, 44.10. Because this is where you expect sellers to come in. If the sellers can't hold, you can expect it to go up to 44.30, which is the HVL, where the HVL is sitting. Again, I'm quoting the GCV price, guys. I'm not quoting GCZ.
So Kate is quite excellent at risk management, and to be a good trader you also need risk management. And during London session I took 3 L's just trading the chop, and they were all very small L's. But if you look at my chart, I'm actually green on the day from 1 win.
Yep.
Amazing.
So my P&L curve, you can see it's like red, getting redder, and then, green.
Green!
Green, just like that. Just one
yeah.
trade, that's all you need.
Yeah, 100%.
So,
100%,
guys. We are 100% transparent with our trades, what we do, what we take. Like, if you were to go over to my chart for a sec, my screen for a second, Simon.
Yeah, baby.
Let me just show them how transparent we are.
There we go. Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start with this. As you can see, we document everything, what we do and stuff like that. Like earlier, I made a trade call for the free members, and as you can see, I was like, I'm gonna sell from here. It did not work out. I got wicked out. Whatever. We just took a loss. We just have to manage our risk. You have to be a dumbass to lose your account. Okay. Like, you have to manage your risk. You're gonna take losses. You just have to know how to manage it and how to get your money back. And don't get tilted after losing one trade. You do not want to do that. Oh, looks like he wants to break down now, Simon. Oh, heavy
Yeah,
sellers coming in. If you close below all of this, I'm definitely shorting it.
We got 1 minute 40 seconds for news.
What time did you wake up? I saw you guys joining the premium section quite early on, around 6 in the morning.
Okay,
Oh,
okay, bro.
Yeah.
So the globe is made up of different time zones. So whilst it's okay. So whilst it's 6 a.m. for us, for Wall, it's not too early. Does that make sense?
Well, hold up for a second. We judge people based on our own experience, right?
I'm sorry,
And
man.
I'm gonna make my decision based on what I see, right? Because I saw it happening at 6:40 in the morning. So for me, it's 6:40. For him, it could be like 10 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah. Oh man, I love that.
But I understand what you're talking about. World doesn't revolve around me.
Oh, look at that, man. Look at what it's
I love that.
Perfect.
This is the level. I was expecting this level to hold.
Perfect.
It's holding. That's why I entered the buy. Come on now. I'm on profit, 1.5%. Okay, news coming up, right? I'm gonna
Yeah.
close
8
it.
seconds.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I don't want to mess with it because it's below HVL. I do not want to mess with it. Okay.
Here we- Oh,
why
my
did I,
goodness.
Why did I
Why'd
close
you
it?
close
It's,
it?
it's,
Oh,
it's Simon's
my
fault.
God.
Simon's fault. Simon's fault.
Oh my god.
It's going straight for 44.30. It's going straight for 44.30.
We called this out in the analysis, guys. Absolutely perfect.
But then again, bro, this is still below HVL. So
Oh,
this could
yeah,
be
yeah.
just weaking people out. Don't trust it.
This was actually a sell zone we had marked up on the Bookmap. So that
Yeah.
So guys, I can't trade. I'm locked out. But you could have taken that trade, and that would have been a beautiful sell right from the sell zone to the tick. Rewind the stream. I'll show you the receipts. We analysed it. We said 44.60s. Look at that. Perfect.
And boys, earlier I was talking to the premium members and I was talking about values and stuff and things like that. Look at this, Christian. Did we get to the other side of the value?
Yeah.
Wow.
We did.
Oh
That's
my
why
God.
I took my trade off. I didn't want to mess with it because it would have put me at a deeper loss, bigger loss.
Oh my god.
You know. So if we see a breakout of this with single print, I'm entering.
What is that?
You know, we've seen the news lately do this every single time, I believe.
Yes, that's the
Yes.
It's like
characteristic.
it does a 180.
CPI did the same thing yesterday.
Yeah, and NFP.
Come on, I want to see a break of this with single print. Come on.
Look at this. Wow.
Okay, we got the single print. I'm short.
Okay, K's in shorts, guys. K's in shorts. If you live in the UK,
This is
You're all
the
in shorts.
first legit target. I got 1%. Come on, hit that. Out. Done.
I know I said yesterday I'm happy with the news rule and stuff, but today it's annoying me.
Okay. So, although I did close it, this is the target, guys. We hit one target Here's the second target. Here's the third. Here's the fourth, fifth, sixth. Yeah, a lot of room to the downside.
Can't believe that. Look at that, guys.
Yeah, heavy sells coming in.
Yeah. Great.
I'm gonna close this scalping chart. I wanna look at the thingy, because if I were to scalp, people won't be able to like buy. Because obviously there's a delay on YouTube stream, right? Don't be able to like by the time they even press the button, I'll be out. So
Yeah. Oh man, guys, someone needs to clip the analysis from the start of this stream. Look at that. Just perfect. And these levels, guys, as Wall was saying earlier, these levels aren't random. We haven't just picked them out because the candlestick is an engulfing candle or a turtle
Okay.
soup.
boys, look at this news candle. It took out the sellers, took out the buyers, and we're trading right in the middle.
Yeah,
John Wick. John Wick.
John Wick. John Wick. Look at that.
That's why it's so risky to trade when the price is below the HVL0 DTE. It's really risky.
That's disgusting behavior.
Yes.
Dealers were like, okay, you go home, both of you go home, I'm gonna stay where I am.
Wall's doing his voice that he's training.
Wall is scalping, I could
Wall
tell,
is
just
scalping.
from his voice. Wall? Wanna show us what you're doing?
Wanna share with the group?
Nothing. I'm not doing nothing. Nothing. I'm innocent.
I mean,
Look at this. Look at this. Straight back up there. Oh my god.
I really want to buy this, but I know I'm going to end up regretting it. It's against my rule, against everything. Okay, maybe I look at ES today. By the way, if it does go up, boys, expect it to go to 44.50. Simon, you still alive?
I'm here, man. I'm here.
No, cool.
So, just
With YouTube
waiting.
Premium, my ad-free videos keep playing in the background.
Right, time to smash this workout.
Well, my phone screen's locked.
You can do hard.
The news really
So
didn't
I can say,
help.
locked
It
in.
just
No.
muddied the water even more.
We're back where we started, guys, just before the news. Just here, look at this.
Yeah.
That's, you know, annoyingly, you know, as we said in the analysis right at the start when we were doing the breakdown, we expected gold to get to here, get to this level, and I think it was the perfect. So the VWAP as well. There are multiple compliments as to why we're waiting for that level, guys, and unfortunately it was news, and it rejected because I would have 100% taken the sell from here, and rejected, and now we're just back into we didn't even get to the bottom of the range, didn't even get back down here to the POC or to this buying area, so just gonna have to wait and see, guys. We've grabbed liquidity, we've stopped, beat everyone out on both sides, so just gonna have to wait and see, I'm afraid.
That's the thing. It's like days like this where people lose money because they don't know what's going on. For example, I'm going to talk about the market from the options market perspective. Okay, overall we're in positive gamma regime. Okay, however, I'm talking about overall based on all the options. However, for the current day, we're sitting on a negative gamma regime. So it's conflicting. You know what I mean? Those days that we have been trading, market was in sync. The current day was in positive gamma, and overall market behavior was like, positive. It was sitting in a positive gamma regime. So you just kept buying. However, today I shifted my finger a little bit and I was looking for buys and sells both. Because obviously you have to understand where you're sitting. And days like this are where people lose money and blow accounts. So be really careful if you don't know what you're doing. Does it make sense what I said?
100%.
Or did I not make any sense?
No, it did. No, it makes
Yes.
perfect sense.
It was good.
Perfect sense.
So if you want to buy, just be patient, wait for the current day, be in sync with the overall market structure. And where can you find that? Is above. I'm going to quote the spot price, guys. Spot price is 44.07. So let's say you are waiting for the market to go above 44.08 and you want to see buyers coming in. That's when you want to buy. Okay, and until then, you do not want to buy, you do not want to sell, you do not want to do anything, although I've done that. Don't
Yeah.
follow me. Don't follow me. Because I've been trading for 17 years, almost 18, so I know exactly, I am quite familiar with this sort of things. However, if we do go to 44.07, look where we are going to be. We are going to be within previous day's value, right? If you're within previous day's value, and if we get accepted, where can you expect the market to go to? To the other side of the value. There's an 80% chance of it going to the other side of the value. And what is sitting on the other side of the value? It's the 44.50 level that I was talking about. So, does it make sense now? Does the picture make sense?
It does, but guys, seeing
Simon, I don't know why you're saying ooh, ooh. For me, on my screen, it just went like one or two handles. On your screen, it probably went below your desk, right?
I'm saying ooh because over 90 contracts just came in on the ask at this level. So I am wondering, whenever I see a big player into the market, I go ooh. So let's see what he does. Kay made a great point earlier, guys. The level is just a level until you get a reaction from it. So we want to, whilst this large seller has entered the market, we don't know the reaction that there's going to be. So that's what I was saying earlier. If you're new to Footprint or new to the order flow tools, you might look at that and think, great, let's put everything on a sell, put everything on red, put my house on a sell. You'll get rolled very, very quickly. You have to see the reaction. It could be a multitude of things. It could be a buyer getting out of position. It could be a seller stacking their position. It could be a buyer reloading. It could be anything. So we have to wait for the reaction from it.
Man, I know someone who put their house on a trade and then also put their Tesla on a trade and then went homeless.
No.
No,
You joke.
And then start.
Wall woke up.
No.
Wall
No,
chose
that
violence.
can't be real. That cannot be real.
Wall choose violence today.
Did they actually do that, Wall?
No. But unprofitable trader, and their
The
income
same.
came from subscriptions,
Figuratively.
and
Yeah.
once the subscriptions started to run dry, obviously this person could not trade his way to profitability, so he ended up homeless. And yeah,
So basically, okay.
and he enjoys trading,
Yeah.
SVC concepts.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I know what you're talking about now. No, don't do that. Come on, bro. Oh, come on.
Well,
No,
sorry to
no,
interrupt.
no.
SP Sile, I hope I'm saying your name right. Thank you for the subscription, brother. Thank you for the sub.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome,
Tesco.
welcome.
Tesco. Every little helps.
Maybe get some value. That's what we want to do, guys. We want to build a community of real There's no other stream on YouTube right now during London, during Asia. I don't think there is anyone on stream that is showing what we're showing, guys. So we really appreciate your support. Really want to grow this channel. Really want to grow the community to help you and to show you the real way of trading. Okay, this is what the institutions are using. These are the tools that they look at every day. They're not looking at TradingView. Okay. That's not how they're trading.
My 5 moving average crossed over 20. Let's buy. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro.
Yeah, see guys, see how I think Wall talks about this a lot, is when these large orders come in, we sort of just tend to trade around it and chop around it. We're just gonna wait and see.
Look at those candles. My God, a lot of wicks and stuff. Simon, have you posted the Discord link on?
I'm gonna do that right now for the guys.
Thank you. Let the people come and join, chill, talk and stuff, you know. Christian, what are you looking at for yes? What are we looking at?
Yeah, let me share my screen. So, share the screen. So, first things first. It's one giant balance at the moment.
So you want to fade the extremes?
Yeah. So the level we talked about it. I think past week also the supply zone up there.
The balance, yeah.
Yeah, and that is also a level. Open it up. X5 sitting there and call resistance a little bit below. So this could be a really interesting point to short from. Let's go back to the trade ovate. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. I've marked out this high, these highs, the weak highs, for also potential zone to bounce from, but it might get taken out first to then go lower. Yeah, that's it. Actually, yeah, on the lows, yeah, it's far away, right? So
zoom out on this chart. Scratch that. Yeah. Okay. So what I see, 1, 2, 3. Can you see those 3 days side by side? A little bit to the left, a little bit to the left. Yeah. Can you put them days together, if you don't mind?
No, it's not possible. I can do the profile.
Yeah, if you can put them together.
Yeah, it's the stock exchange and 2 clawback sessions. You can actually
now mark the extreme of this. A little bit lower. No, so if you take it off, if you take the box off, get a line tool, mark the extreme where it first starts tapering off. Yeah, right there, a little bit below, maybe. Yeah, around there. There you go. Okay. Now mark the lower end.
Right there.
No, lower. Yeah, right there. There you go. Had you traded that?
That's actually really clean.
Exactly. You have to train your eyes to see these things. And you wait for the market to go back inside this. Once it goes back inside this, there's an 80% chance of it going to the other side. So you just play the 80-20, 80-20.
That makes a lot of sense.
until we break out of this. Now, can you put the volume profile back on? I've seen something else. Okay, can you see those 2 days are side by side?
Mm-hmm.
Previous 2 days.
Whoa, there we go, gold.
Previous,
Those-
more to, yeah, those 2 days.
Yeah, this is RT. No, this is Globex. Which one is this?
Gold is breaking. Sorry guys, just you can hear in the background Discord, bit of teaching going on with our Flow Trading Academy members. You want to be part of that, make sure you join the Flow Trading Academy Discord. Christian is part of our premium family. He's giving some amazing advice right now, but let them, if you want to be part of that, guys, you want to get that value, must join the free Discord. Yeah, gold's pushing up from this area, guys. You can see that large buyer or a lot of sellers exiting their position around the 44.6s. Now it's getting to the VWAP, so struggling around there. This is pure chop zone, guys. This is just absolutely pure chop. Yeah, keep yourself safe, guys. Stay out of this mess. Wait for the extremes. I would love to see a revisit of the 44.62s. Failing that, if we keep going, then the 44.90s would be great as well. I've got NYSE to come as well, guys. NYSE Open is to come. Plenty of opportunities. Sorry, well, I'll be right back. Can you take over from me?
Yes, no worries.
There you go. You're live. Thank you, man.
Right. So, just like gold, you can see with the NASDAQ, we tapped into our area of interest that we expected price to get to, and news came out, straight up, straight down, and now in the middle. So, there's really no difference between gold and the NASDAQ in terms of its location. They're both in the chop. But gold is fundamentally very, very strong, while NASDAQ is not so much. It is simply more along the lines of neutral.
Maybe today's the day I go back to my range chart.
Yeah. I'm thinking like the only real way to trade this is just to take little scalps here and there.
Yeah, I'm gonna be scalping.
Yeah.
Definitely. I'm gonna be scalping. Okay. Dump. Let's go. Trading that range chart after a long time.
Yep.
By the way, we're in over here. If you look, this is a buy area, all buy area. Only Place where we can
Oh,
expect
yeah.
sellers to come in is around here,
Yeah, I see.
around there. I'm expecting it to come back to this spike at least, bare minimum. That's that delta spike.
Yep. I do like the buys up towards this like 60, 65 area and GCZ.
Yeah. Like I said, bro, it's not a buy until we go above this. Until then, it's just messy. You do whatever you want. You're gonna get wicked
Yeah.
out. You're gonna make money. You can buy, sell, whatever you wanna do.
Yeah.
Until we go above this, then it's buy only.
And then I also like sells down into these 35s.
Yeah, I took 26p profit. I'm scalping. What the hell?
And unfortunately, we're right in the middle of these two areas that I want to trade, so
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. It's gonna be. Come on, just need one massive push up. When's the next news release?
No major news releases anymore, but we do have NYSC to bring the volume in.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
NYC would be good.
I hope so.
Yeah. Good. Just going to be very, very patient, guys. You know, I'm not looking to risk anything. Made a really nice 1 to 2 this morning with the academy. So right now, we're just going to wait for our next opportunity very, very patiently. You can see, as we said, we're just chopping around the 44, 46 levels. Delta has been rising significantly since London came to a close and NY open, which was about the time we took that trade. See, not rushing into anything yet, guys. Just observing the market, as Kay said earlier. Just observe. Expecting a lot of activity around here. We are currently on the VWAP. As I said before, we've got some big players entering the market, or as I said, they could be exiting the market. So we're just observing. Yeah, man, just look at that. Let's do a side by while we wait. Let's do a side by side comparison. Order flow on the left, trading view on the right. Now, if I didn't have a news rule, I would have sold the shit out of that. And that would have been perfect because we had our zones marked out. Got to that area perfectly. Literally enter a sell as soon as we tag it, and your stop loss is right above it. 50 pip, 40 pip max stop loss for a 200 pip reward. And what do you see on TradingView in that candle? Does that give you? Nothing. Doesn't show you the trap buyers at the top. Doesn't show you the aggressive selling entering the market. Doesn't show you again when aggressive buyers enter at the bottom. It's just here. Again, this is another reason, guys, why none of us we don't wait for closures when we're using order flow. We don't need to wait for the 15-minute, the hourly candle to close. We're entering as soon as we see the aggressive buyers, the aggressive sellers enter the market. Because if you picture this, if you're a buyer, you are waiting for the 5 minute to close. You're not getting in until up here. Well, you could be in down here. Still, okay, good. You're gonna make profit, but your risk to reward is skewed. This is where order flow tools are so powerful, guys. I promise you, your RR on your prop firm or your broker account will just completely transform. That's why we don't obsess with win rates here at the Flow Trading Academy. You'll never hear any of us go on there and say, I've got a 90% win rate, I've got a 70% win rate, I've got an 80% win rate. Your win rate means nothing if your risk to reward is 0.2 or negative. It means nothing.
Also, we are flexible. We are not married to our risk to reward or anything like that. For example, if we are targeting one to two, and we see heavy sellers entering the market and we're on a buy, we'll exit.
Yep.
So be flexible. Don't be married to one idea and stick to that. No. Trade what you see. Trade market generated information, not your assumption generated information.
100%. Let me get above the view up here, guys. See what happens. New
My
hours.
wife doesn't even look at this, Simon. Sorry, my wife doesn't even care about my emotion. Why should the market care about my emotion? Well, I think.
My wife.
Right? Just put it this way, and you'll stop assuming stuff.
Oh man, that's true. Oh, you go, boys. Pushing hard. Gold is pushing. Delta is rising. Fuck up that level, guys.
So, what earlier we were talking about?
Yes.
So, we nearly tapped the sellers area. Can you see?
Yeah.
If you look at my chart, and
Yes.
because this is where we
Also.
expected sellers, right? And look
Yep.
what we have over here. HVL, right? HVL is sitting right here. If
Mm-hmm.
we can go above that, what do we have? All buys.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, beautiful drop. From Simon, do you have a delta chart open?
Delta, yeah, just there. The bottom.
Delta chart. Do you
Yeah.
have a delta chart open?
Yeah.
Like if you have a delta chart open, like you could see where the buyers and sellers are sitting.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Again. Didn't get the confirmation I was looking for. It happened a little bit too quick, guys. Wow. Look at that. Oh, what a drop.
Don't get too excited. I could see this thing go right back up in a few
Right back
minutes.
up, yes. Because we are just trying to catch up to the big buyers. And we got to the big buy zone right now. Okay, I'm on a buy. And there you go, straight profit.
Pays and buys.
With YouTube Premium, you can download videos to watch ad-free without Wi-Fi, if you're brave enough.
Okay, I'm almost 1% up. Okay, I'll take my profit. I don't want to hold on to it. I just want to scalp. But it could go up a lot higher. On spot, we are looking at what's this price? I'll give you the price. 44.05 on spot. This is where we can expect some strong sellers to come in.
$44.05. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that would make sense.
Yeah, but if we trade above those guys and we can hold, we are going up. We're going up a lot higher. Then that will put us in sync with the larger time frame of all options level, because we'll be above the HVL.
Okay, let's tag that low volume area. The 8 and has rejected. Wow, 100 pips already. Jeez.
Long cells coming in. Wow. I don't even want to mess with it. Just leave it. Watch, watch, watch. Don't touch.
Just observe the data, guys. That's what we're doing.
Or scalp. Only two things. But we do expect buyers to come in here. Although strong negative delta coming in, it is a buy area, by the way. A lot of buyers sitting here. What? Look at this.
Yep.
Look at this. So the buyers started here, right? This was a whole
yes,
buy
yes,
area.
yes, yes.
My God, tapped it to the tick and went. Can you see?
Yep.
That's why delta chart is really good. Like you can see where the buyers are sitting, where the sellers are sitting, what kind of move you can expect.
And how much of the buyers are sitting there.
Yep. This area is heavily concentrated by buyers, so
I'm just watching this area very carefully, guys. The 4460s we talked about at the start, it's holding very strongly. Although, again, being able to use the order flow, I'm very conscious. You saw that? So that guy, the 46s who came into the market, he is holding, which indicates to me he could be part of a larger order, big passive buyer, sat down there eating all the sellers. Waka waka waka. Like Pac-Man. Waka waka waka. We just have to be, exactly as Kate was saying earlier, we just got to be really conscious and using the order flow about when we manage our trades, when we look to execute. If you want to look at these charts, guys, every single day, join the Discord. Join the Discord, trade with us. We share these screens all day. Not only do we share them, but you can trade with us live. We'll talk you through them, we'll give an overview. There are videos in our free Discord on each of these, how we set them up, how you can use them. Oh, big order build there. Okay. Oh yeah, so that sell from there would have been glorious.
Okay,
yes, bro.
can you have a look at my screen?
Okay, yeah.
I did set up the
TPO.
TPO, yeah, with profile.
Oh,
So basically, merging this one with this and this one with that one. So-
No. So no. I mean, these two days are inside days. You can see. What you want to focus on as a new trader, you want to look at the value. Okay, look at these two on the 9:30 p.m. Go right, go right.
Yep.
Go right on your screen.
Oh.
Yes, these two values, can you see, are completely within each other.
Yeah.
Put them together. Oh, whoa.
Well, something goes pretty wrong.
What is this?
Is it because it's session split?
I don't know, maybe it's because it's trader bait. And I can see two more to the left. Yeah, put them together.
What the hell?
Just ignore the color for now.
Okay.
Look at the volume profile. And that volume profile, I don't know how to pick it. Like, you need to make a little bit more, like, increase the tick size a little bit, maybe. A little
Wow,
bit
what
more.
a mess. What a mess.
Yeah.
Something is wrong. Maybe it's because session split. Let me try to delete it and put in full day.
Yeah. Get full day, bro. Don't get session split. When you're building composite value, always use full day.
Okay. Ah, this is already better. Let's undo and let's do it again.
So, can you see those 2 days? Yep. Put them together. What you're looking for, 2 or more. Okay. Now,
Oh, look at that.
Mark the area. Mark the whole zone.
This whole.
Yeah. Right now, stick to the valley area. I wouldn't take it off and draw a box around the valley area.
Okay. Move. Remove. And then shapes. Screen is stuck. I don't know what's right there.
Now, refine it using the volume profile. Now look at volume profile and refine that box. Take it to the volume profile extreme and stuff. Yeah. There you go. Now, put the screen back to where it was. Yeah. Use the other T on the left.
Which one?
Left. Yeah, there you go. Those two values are completely within each other.
These two.
Yeah. Okay. So this one has multiple values.
Yeah, one here, one here.
I will draw the bottom one at this point. I wouldn't draw anything else. Yeah, just the bottom one.
Because of this reaction here.
No, not because of the reaction, because you have a value on top, right? There you
Yeah.
go. There you go. Done.
Ah,
No, go left, keep going. Now look for more values. Go down. Yeah, keep going. You're looking for 2 or more days.
Oh.
That's about
yeah.
it.
And it's
That's
contrary.
as far as you go, boy.
Yeah.
NYSE opening in 20 minutes, guys.
So it should be drawn out, right? Yeah, there it is. Look.
Still it's creating this little range, guys, between 44, 47s and the 4450s, 4460s. So just my assumption is this is gonna drop, but it's too late to jump in a sell.
Looking at the delta divergence, Simon, there is a little bit of divergence on gold.
Yeah,
So
looking
yes, it could go down.
Now yesterday's session makes sense right now. Why?
Does it make sense now?
Yeah.
It's all about breaking the puzzle. It's just all about putting it together.
I want to see a spike. I need to see the spike up, guys, and then just get rejected. I don't like how those 4490s are still holding. Sorry, 4449s. We need to get a move up first before looking to enter a sell. Man, anyone watching this from the UK, you have my sympathies. It's over 36 degrees where I am at the moment, and it is very, very hot.
I'm sitting at 35 at the moment, bro.
Oh man, it's horrible.
32, yeah.
It is horrible.
Trust me, if there was no one in my house, I would be sitting naked right now. I do not care.
We thank you for not being.
What, if there's no one at home, would you not? Like, if it was too hot?
Not naked, just because.
What, are you gonna be shy looking at yourself? Is that what you're saying?
No. It's just I don't want to get. I don't want to drag it on the floor right around the house.
Just put it around your shoulder, bro.
Yeah.
Carry it. What are you talking about?
Yeah, and it's like sellers are gonna take. I need you to come back up, man. Come back up. Yeah, guys, see, I'm doing exactly what I tell people not to do. You're just looking at this chop range, looking for potential moves, and actually there's absolutely nothing. So yeah, just sit back and chill.
Are you sure there's nothing? Maybe you're not looking hard enough.
No,
Zoom in a bit
such,
more.
It's such a bad habit, isn't it? You zoom in, okay, I'll make the bubbles a little bit bigger.
Yep.
I know what I'll do. I'll go to the 4-hour footprint chart so I can see some big numbers.
Yeah, that's the correct way to do things, you know, and then go on ChatGPT and make a book about it. Hey, I booked in my profit, done.
Well done, man. Well done.
I just had a little buy from you.
Yeah.
Although you could go a lot higher, you could go like another 4 handles. But
whoa, that's too much, man.
yeah, I just want to scalp.
Guys, give it to NYCA. But remember, guys, we're not rushing anything. We made some good money today. If you want to make good money as well, you want to learn a new skill, a skill that will completely change your life, the rest of your life, join Flow Trading Academy.
This is something you'll get to keep for the rest of your life, guys.
This is a life-changing skill.
And trust me, you will never worry about money, because if you know how to trade all you need is a little bit of investment. Like that's why I'm doing the $100 challenge, to prove to people that you don't need too much money. You can actually make a decent income even with $100. Yes, maybe it's not going to pay your bill, but once you build it, once you build your account, it will. Because if you can take $100 into $500, for example, at the end, what's going to happen? How much is your profit going to be on a daily basis? $30, $40, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, $40, 40 times 5, what's it going to be? $200, right? A week. Now, times it by 4, 800. That's like you're getting minimum wage. Right?
Yeah, 100%.
Maybe not to that point, but you're making something.
Yeah,
You can
people-
pay your phone bill, you can pay your gas and electric, everything. Like all the essentials will be done just for that. And whatever
Thing.
money you earn, spend it on yourself.
100%. 100%. The issue
I
is
want to
people-
point out that
Sorry,
$100, you know, like K doubling his account, like $100. Like for some people in some parts of the world, right? That is significant.
Exactly.
So
It
don't
depends-
think that like,
Yeah.
you know, that's nothing. Like that is definitely something.
For example, for Edwin, it's gonna be like stupid amount, like 30, 40 grand, something like that.
buy a house.
Man, Simon, remember last time? Oh no, it was me and Wall. We looked at it. It was like, how much was it? 23 grand or something like that.
Yeah,
right?
no,
Yeah, it was some ridiculous number.
I got him. So if I make $1,000 a month, how
You're a
like,
millionaire.
How comfortable would my life be in Indonesia? He's like, oh, you'll be living comfortably. I'm like, what am I doing here, bro? I need to go there.
Crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Boys, focusing on this bloody challenge account, I'm actually not making any money on my funded. I haven't traded.
Ah,
You're enjoying it too much, that's why.
That is true. I'm actually loving it. I made 0, man. Like this week I'm talking about. I'm not talking about past week. This week.
Pushing again.
Push and give birth to new buyers. Come on.
Needs to get much higher. Ooh. It's another reject. All these pops keep getting rejected, guys. All these pops keep getting rejected. This is either gonna this is gonna explode in one direction. I'm telling you. so much volume.
Oh, the OC has shifted up, by the way.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. Yeah, look. Notice, guys. Notice how we talked about this little guy earlier that came in 44.46. Holding like a champ right now.
So he's not little anymore then, eh?
Yeah. Not a little. Not a little.
He's growing.
How long for got 8 minutes for NYC, guys. 8 minutes for NYC.
I'm so happy, man. Family went to the bloody play center. Kids are gone.
Nice and
Just
quiet.
on my own time. That's why it's quiet, yeah.
ah, nice, nice. I love peace and quiet, to be perfectly honest, even though you guys might see me talk a lot. It's like, man, I can be like, not talk to anyone for like a whole week and be totally fine.
Bro, same man. I could literally sit on my chair and just wander off. I don't care about talking to anyone or
You know?
whatever.
But when I like the person, I can talk a lot.
When you're comfortable around them.
Yeah.
So you talk to me a lot.
Yes, I do.
Oh,
That's why we're buddies.
bromance. Yeah, boy. What y'all saying?
I'm definitely gonna be downloading that game like on the weekend.
Yeah, same. I'm actually thinking about doing it. So.
Yeah.
Hey guys.
Simon, would you consider moving to Indonesia?
No, I wouldn't be able to. I would if it was just me and Becky.
Yeah.
Oh, guys.
Yeah. Now that you say that, like, I've got 2 kids as well, but who cares, man? Just put them in a bloody container and just go tag along.
I love it. Who cares, man? Just put them in a container. Let's go. It's like when you board a plane and then those people, they put their dogs or cats in the little cage.
Yeah. Guys, okay.
Guys, just to let you know, I'm just making jokes.
Just to recap, guys, we've got 92 on the arse there, and now just a 93 coming on the arse there. So I am expecting this to break.
I'm sorry, man. You said 92 on the ask. I had 92 on the ask.
Yeah, this has got it. Ah, it would have been a good little sell there, but it was just ranging so much. If it gets down to the 30s before, oh, god damn it. Come back up.
Right now, Christian, I would start thinking about selling. I would personally.
Okay, guys, we've got 5 minutes to NYSC. Hopefully, what I'm hoping for, guys, is that NYSC actually pushes us up so we can get involved in the shorts, because Delta's dropping. We've had multiple rejections from the highs, multiple rejections from the late 50s and the 60s. Can't really sell from here, guys.
What? Yes. Oh, look at this. This is much better, right? It tells you the number and stuff. How
Oh, yeah.
strong it is.
Yeah, I mean, quite honestly, I don't think there's anything that Zero chart cannot do.
No. It's the goat. It's the goat.
Oh, that's a delta next to the pro. Oh, that's awesome.
I built that one. Did I do a good job?
Yeah.
Look
Good.
at that. Concentration of buyers. This is where you know buyers gonna come in. Box it. Try a box around it, and what happened? Look where market was. Look where it went. Came back down. Boom. Over here, sellers. Okay. They couldn't hold. Obviously, this could be classified as absorption. Over here, you have sellers. Look at this. Market went there. Had a little bit of rejection. Went above it. Started trading. Obviously, these buyers, they were trapped, right? What happens when market goes there? Those trap buyers get released. Price came down to this was. Went back up again. Came back, retested it. Just a news candle, I believe. Why not?
Ah,
No.
motherfucker, man.
No
Oh my
swearing.
god. Watch your language.
Sorry.
Naughty, naughty.
We don't tolerate that kind of bullshit here.
You're gonna slate me in the comments.
No. Using this, you can see where the trap buyers and sellers are. Look at this. You have trap buyers here.
Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Give me a pullback of some significance. No.
If you have trap buyers up there, when market goes up there, what happens? They're gonna get rid of the position, they're gonna become sellers. Thus,
Yep.
it's gonna push the market down a little bit lower. We have trap buyers up here. And what do you have on the volume profile? You have this extreme. So yeah.
Ah,
Anyways, it's gonna confuse people. I'm just gonna take it off for now. Just trade what we see here.
okay, guys. That sell looks like it is gone unless our savior will be New York. New York Open. New York opens in a couple of seconds. Oh, look at that. That's what I like to see. Go on, go all the way back up.
Here we go.
All the way back up. Up. Up.
I sold and 1% up, done, closed. I'm hedging Simon.
Go up, go up, go up. Yes.
Whoa.
Yes.
Look at silly loss.
No.
What price are you looking at, Simon?
I need to get to the 50s.
Why did I take that loss? I would be on profit now. Should have waited. $50s on spot or futures?
Futures. I want to see at least 55 would be great.
What about spot price?
Oh god, spot is probably about around the 39s, 39.6. But I think
Get rid of it. Minimum we're going to
gone.
bare minimum we're going to 78. Another 500 is lower.
Yeah.
Just to let you know, I've scalped this like 3 times already, just within this candle. Wall, you're awfully quiet, my guy. Definitely you're doing something.
He's on the NAS.
Oh, yes. Yes, I am on the NAS cells.
Ourselves.
What is the NAS sales? So you got trades popping off everywhere in the Play Training Academy room.
From what price, Wall?
90s.
No, good sell. Good sell. Really good sell. I could see it going down to minimum 87.
Yeah.
What about you, Christian? What's going on?
Well,
Oh,
it looks
you didn't sell it. I would have taken profit right there.
looks like it's gonna do
Yeah.
volume.
Wait for sellers to come in. Wait for sellers to come in.
Whoa! Ah, there it is.
No, you come back. Wait for sellers to come in. Okay, buyers coming in. Wait for them to get absorbed. Okay. Oh, that's such a huge number.
Yeah.
Okay. I might join you on this sell.
Are you
But
guys
this,
in
it
ESA?
doesn't give me any money, so no, I'm not gonna. Yeah.
Oh man. Oh man. Okay, that sell's done, guys. That's the target that would have been hit.
Let's see, because this could be indeed. But it's
Oh,
doing
yes.
volume, right?
No, I think it could pop this high at this point.
Yeah. There
Well,
it is.
yes, yeah, it looks like it. But I would even take it. I would wait for those buyers to get absorbed before I
Yeah.
do anything.
Yeah, exactly. There's still call resistance at 800, so that's right here. I can
Look
draw
at
a
the
little
volume
line.
profile. Look at the volume profile. We are doing volume. That's where you're looking at. Your eyes should be on the volume profile, nowhere else. We are doing
Yep,
volume. It's
popping.
Yeah. And those buyers then never got absorbed.
Okay. Call resistance, let's see.
Okay, I'll give you the data on this. On ES, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's have a look. So call resistance sitting at
800.
7,800, and you have only 74% chance. Okay?
Yeah.
It's a low probability trade if you were to sell from there. I'm expecting it to just go right through. Probably will trade around it for a bit, but look at the volume profile. You
Yeah.
have no business selling it. We are doing volume. Always keep an eye out. Whenever market trading higher or lower, always look at the volume profile. See whether if it's doing volume or not. Don't look at the delta bubbles. Don't look at anything. Delta bubbles is the next thing that you're looking at. But your primary point is the volume profile.
I will be right back, guys.
All right, see you in a sec. Okay, again, we closed above it. Market closed above the buyers. Everything we are doing volume, just sit tight. Don't do anything. Do not do anything. This is gonna pop. It's not coming back. Don't fall for it. There you go, it's popping. There you go, we're still doing volume.
Yep.
Still doing volume. There you go, it's popping. Now, what you want to see whenever it goes up and comes back down, if you see volume tapering off, that's when you have a clue as to what's going to happen. But right now, you have no clue, it's just going to pop. As you can see, you got a new price, started trading volume, so keep going. It's going to get to that area. Remember that area?
Yep.
Yeah.
And
there you go. You hit that. Now you want to see whether if it gets accepted or rejected. Okay. I want to see it go inside and trade volume, not reject. You know what I mean?
yeah.
There you go. It's going in. I want to see it do volume in there. No, don't need to remove it. That will be important later. I'll tell you why. You just play around it, like, you know.
Value area high is also going with price, so that's good.
Yeah. So you see, we are doing volume now. This is where it's a little bit tricky. Okay, if it's doing volume, do we trade above it? Does it make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Because if you don't trade above it, you have no business flat buying this. gold doing? Looks like gold gonna give a late reaction. I'm gonna gold buy. I'll just leave it.
Okay, let's
change
see
the
where
gold
gold is.
I just bought it blindly, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah.
We don't advise that.
I'm on a little bit of profit. 1%. Boom, take it. Because I want to help Christian out with his trade. Christian, this is going up. I'll
Gold is in our buy zone, guys, but I'm not interested. You can see with a straight rejection again from the buyers. Every single sort of pop is just getting rejected straight back down. I need to see somebody arrive on the footprint, that's of significance. And I need delta increasing. At the moment, guys, it's like sellers are very much in control.
sorry, Simon. You can mute us.
It's okay. I've muted you on YouTube. Don't worry.
With YouTube Premium, you get all your videos and music ad-free. That means no ads when you download videos to watch. Oh, and no ads during any of the 300 million songs on the YouTube Music app. So, what have we learned? You get videos and music ad-free, and so much more with YouTube Premium. Try it now for £0.
Does gold want to push up from here? That's the that is the question. But we need to see delta start to increase. We need to see buyers get a little bit more aggressive, guys. Don't want to just jump into this. You can see that falling. I think the trade would have been the sell from the top, guys. Just didn't get the right confirmations we were looking for. Yeah, that's a really good sell zone. So feel free to mark this up on your charts, guys. Feel free to have that area. So 44.64 down to the 44.58. So a really good selling zone. On spot, that's around the 4400s. It could be a really good sell from there. I'm still gonna have that marked up because I think that's got a really good opportunity if we were to come up. If not, guys, if this doesn't hold, then we're looking for buys a lot lower. So we're probably looking at around the 4400s, 4410s. If not, it will be the 4380s. By all means, use those on your charts, mark them up so they're there for future reference. If this area does hold and we start to see really aggressive buying step in, then we can absolutely take buys from here. Right now, guys, buyers just struggling a little bit. Don't have a lot of confidence in this buy right now. Haven't got a lot of positive delta after such a huge drop. So guys, I think I'm going to end it there. I'm going to jump into the Flow Trading Academy Premium. Keep trading there. If you guys want to join me and join us, like the Discord, link in the description, link in the comments. Make sure you jump in, come say hello, come trade with us, come learn a new skill. That will absolutely change your life. Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. See when we're live every single day. And I will see you all tomorrow. No trade today, unfortunately, guys. We did take a trade in the premium members. Nice 100 pip move there. We were waiting for sales at this area, just couldn't grab it. But guys, the analysis, as always, was absolutely spot on. So I will see you all tomorrow, guys. Take care.
Care YouTube.